Let's talk a little more about derivatives. In the last short video that I posted, we solved two derivatives using the example of the velocity vector, which has two components, the x component, which is given by the letter u, and the y component, which is given by the letter v. And we calculated here the acceleration in x and the acceleration in y. Now, to solve the derivative, we used this key, units, actually, right here below the circular button. This key, it already has some preset functions, you know, it already has the derivative ready, it already has the integral all set, the limit, right? It has the log in the base that I want. It also has the square root, the cube root, you know, it also has the exponential, it has the fraction already prepared, right? If I want to write a fraction, I can come here and click OK, for example, right? And the fraction is already there. Just put the numbers and hit enter. But let's go to our example for today. I'm going to use another command. I'm going to use this command here to solve the derivatives. Toolbox, computational algebraic system, differential calculus, and I'm going to solve x and I using this function. It's going to be written a little bit differently, but the end result will be the same, okay? So let's go ahead and calculate x. To bring the cursor to the command bar, no matter where I am on my screen at the moment, I just type shift and cursor down. There, I'm on the command bar.
I'm going to come here and write x. X equals u, which multiplies the differential calculus toolbox by the differential of u with respect to x, u, comma x comes out from inside the parentheses, plus v, which multiplies, again, here the command, the differential of u with respect to y, u, comma y. I press enter and it shows me my expression here. I click here on the toolbox once more, then go to algebra. I'll use this collect command. I click here and my expression is simplified. It has already been expanded and simplified. In the same way, I write I. Oh, I missed the I here. Ay is equal to u, which then multiplies the differential value.
To x.
If subix comes out of the parentheses plus v times as a toolbox the differential calculation of v with respect to y v sub y. All right, there was the phrase here to be corrected, wasn't there? I equals, there you go.
I hit enter, I get my answer, I go again to the algebra toolbox and collect, I click OK, copy it in here, it's already expanded and simplified. Antonio, where are these variables you wrote, right? Because u is a variable, v is a variable, x is another variable, and y is another. Where is all this inside the calculator? Again, I'm up there, C, Shift, cursor down, I'll drop the command line. Then I go to Shift and Memory, written in blue, under the toolbox. Here, C, Cas variables, View. There they are. Look, X, I, U, and V. Let's click on U. I double click there, it shows me what U is, right? That is the X component of the velocity vector. Antonio, can I delete all of this? You can delete it, no problem. Also, if I want, I can go to the Cas and change the variable's value. If I want to say that U, for example, U equals 2, I type U equals 2 here. Oh, let's confirm what U is. Type U to see what it is. U, enter, it's 2. Oh no, but I want to go back, that's fine. I'll come here and copy it again to the command bar and hit enter. If I type U here again, enter, there it is, right? I can modify my variable as many times as I wish, or if I want to delete them from that Cas variables folder, that's also fine. Did you like it, everyone? Follow me on the channel. Cheers!